For the vineyards in this region, we have what's called vine mealybug, and that has become pest number one. I would recommend Sutera to other growers, and I would say that Sutera has become the backbone of a program in the fight against the vine mealybug.
Hello, I'm Matthew Malcolm with American Vineyard Magazine, reporting to you from Fresno State Grape Day. I'm here with Cliff Yu from the Department of Viticulture and Enology here. Relatively new, right? It's been a couple of years?
Yeah, I graduated in 2016 with a master's degree in viticulture enology here. So I went up to Davis and took several years to finish that, and I'm back here in my actually former advisor's office. So, yeah.
Small world.
Small world,
That's
yeah,
great.
Exciting.
So we're great to have you here. You talked today about measuring the electric conductivity of the soil in vineyards and how sometimes people mix up the purpose of that, especially with all the pistachios growing around the region now in relations to salinity. Can you explain?
Yeah, actually it was just a question we're trying to answer, because I got a lot of questions about like how this variable we can measure by EM38 in the wine grape vineyards, because we constantly see these positive and significant correlations with the bulk EC we can measure by EM38 with the plant water status. So we're thinking this variable actually can help us to spatially assess the plant water status. But people gave us the questions, oh, you are measuring the soil texture, you are measuring the soil salinity. It was not clear. So we just set up a small trial, try to just clear this up. So at least a little bit. So we did this work in 2019. We assessed all these chemical, physical properties in the soil. We're using M38 to measure the soil bulk EC. And also we installed some in situ TDR sensors to continuously measure the EC, bulk EC, the water pore EC, which is salinity. And also we get all these like soil properties. So we established the multivariate model. We figure out actually the water content actually is the most significant contributor to this bulk EC we can measure in the wine grape vineyards. So, and also the soil texture was also very, very significant. So with that being said, so in vineyards, this thing can be really helpful, because once we study our soil texture, we can use that variable bulk EC with grapevine water status interchangeably, which can save us a lot of time to carrying pressure bomb, doing soil augering in the vineyards. So hopefully it can be used by the growers, because we have big vineyards in the San Joaquin Valley.
Well, thank you, Cliff. Thanks for clearing that up. Read more about these things in American Vineyard Magazine. I'm Matthew Malcolm, CaliforniaAgNet.com.